Number 46. X to the negative 4/5 times negative 3x to the 7/5 y to the third all squared. Okay, so first we need to distribute that squared. So we'll have x to the negative 4/5 times negative 3 squared x to the 14, this is 2 over 1, remember, 14 over 5, y to the 6 over 1, which we'll just leave that as 6. Okay, now we can multiply this all together, which basically is going to mean that we're simplifying these x's here by adding them. So negative 3 squared is positive 9. 14 minus 4 is 10/5. Y to the 6th, and then last step, 9x squared y to the 6th. 10 over 5 is 2. All right, number 47. We have the fourth root of x to the negative 24, y to the 8, z to the third. So I'm going to rewrite this as everything to the power of 1/4, because that's what I'm doing here. All of this is to the power of 1, root of 4. Now we're going to distribute that 1/4 to everything. So that's going to be x to the negative 24 over 4, y to the 8 over 4, z to the 3 over 4. Simplify again. That's negative 24 over 4 will be negative 6. 8 over 4, 2. And we can't further simplify 3/4, so we'll leave it like that. Now the only thing left we have to do is make the exponents all positive, so we need to move this one into the denominator. So our final answer will be y squared z to the 3/4 over x to the positive 6. All right, and then 48 here. So we've got a double root thing going here, which is kind of bizarro, but that's okay. So first of all, I'm going to write everything inside over z to the negative 4th. I'm going to take the first root here. So this is unshown, so that tells me it's a 2. We're looking at the square root. So that's to the 1/2 power. Then we're going to do another power on top of that to the 1/4, because we're taking the fourth root again after the square root. So I can multiply these two together to get a combined total of 1/8. When you have powers raised to powers, you multiply them. So this is all raised to a power of 1/8. Or 1/8, I'm sorry. So I'm going to rewrite this as all of our problem raised to the 1/8 power now. So now it's a little more easy to deal with than these double roots here. So now we distribute that 1/8 to everything. So x to the negative 6/8, y to the 8/8 over z to the negative 4/8. You can simplify this further. And let's simplify and flip them. So this one needs to go down. This one needs to go up. So we'll have y to the 1, 8 over 8 is 1, z to the 1/2. Negative 4 over 8 will reduce to negative 1/2. When we bring it up, it becomes positive. X to the, it's now going to be positive because it's in the denominator, and 6 over 8 will reduce to 3 over 4. So we'll have x to the 3/4 in the denominator.